I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. Today I have taken one question from exercise 4.2. That question is question number 2, Roman 1, equal to John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles, full stop. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, comma, and the product of numbers of marbles they now have is 124, full stop. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. Now come to solution. Solution equal to, this is a word problem question. What you have to do, go through the word problem twice and thrice and underline the key point with a help of pinpoint pencil. Here I am going to underline the key points. Let us proceed. The key points are John and Jivanti together had 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. Product of number marbles they have now is 124. We have to find out how many marbles they had in the beginning. Let the number of marbles the John have in beginning equal to x. Here I have let the number of marbles John have in the beginning equal to x. Hence, or therefore, the number of marbles Jivanti have in beginning equal to, here you can see John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. This means that Jivanti plus John will have 45 marbles. Here I have got the number of marbles John has equal to x. So number of marbles Jivanti will have in beginning equal to 45 minus x. This you can put in bracket dot. Now come to next. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. Here you write, after losing 5 marbles each, after losing 5 marbles each, the number of marbles John have now. Here you can see after losing 5 marble each. This means that John will lose 5 marbles and Jivanti will also lose 5 marbles. Therefore, the number of marbles John will have now equal to, in the beginning, John has 8 marbles, but now he has lost 5 marbles. Therefore, total number of marbles John will have equal to x minus 5. And similarly, the number of marbles Jivanti have now equal to. Here you can see Jivanti has 45 minus 6 marbles in the beginning. Now Jivanti has lost 5 marbles. So now Jivanti will have total number of marbles equal to 45 minus x minus 5. Now come to next. Next it says the product of number of marbles they have now. You have to link from here is 24. Therefore, according to given condition, implies that here you can say product of number of marbles they have now. This means that John has number of marbles now equal to x minus 5 and Jivanti has number of marbles now equal to 45 minus x minus 5. Both will be multiplied together. You get the value equal to 124. Therefore, x minus 5 will multiply to, open here curly bracket, open here 45 minus x, circle bracket close, minus 5, curly bracket also be closed, equal to 125. Now simplify this thing. Here you will get in one bracket x minus 5, open here curly bracket, 45 minus x minus 5 equal to 124. Now come to next x minus 5. This will become 40 minus 45 minus 5 comes out to 40 minus x equal to 124. Implies that now you have got two terms here, both will be multiplied together. If you multiply here, this will become 40 will multiply to x, this will become 40x, and minus 5 will multiply to plus 40, will get here minus 200. After that, this minus x will multiply to plus x, you will get here minus x square, and this minus 5 will multiply to minus x, you will get here plus 5x equal to 124. Now simplify further. Here you can see $40x and plus 5x. Both are the like terms. Like terms will be added together. Here you will get 45x minus x square minus 200. This here in the right hand side plus 124 is there, that will be brought in the left hand side, it will become minus 124. Minus 124 is equal to 0. Implies that this will become 45x minus x square minus 324 is equal to 0. Now multiply minus 1 in both sides in LHS as well as RHS. You will get here minus 45x plus x square plus 324 equal to 0. Implies that x square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. Here you can see this is a quadratic equation. X square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now here you have solved the question up to 50%. Now come to next. What to do further? Here you can say this is a quadratic equation. This quadratic equation will be solved. Get the value of x. The value of x will be two values. This means the roots of this quadratic equation will be two values of x. How this quadratic equation will be solved? Let us proceed further. Here you can see coefficient of x square is plus 1. Right here plus 1. Here you can see coefficient of x square. Here you can see coefficient of x square is plus 1. Right here plus 1. Here you can see content term is plus 324. Right here in another bracket 324. Both will be multiplied together. You will get 324. 324 equal to, make here two boxes like this. Here multiplication sign is fixed. Just below plus 324, right here minus 45 equal to, make two more boxes again. Now come to next. Here you have got coefficient of x square plus 1 I have written, and this is content term plus 324 I have written here. Both will be multiplied together. Comes out to be 324 equal to, make two boxes here. Here minus multiplication sign it is here. Just below plus 324 minus 45 right here equal to, this is the middle term. Here you can say coefficient of x square is minus 45 I have written, minus 45 here. Make four boxes like this. Next step is, here you have got 324. Get PF of 324. Get PF of 324. So PF of 324 you have to find out PFs of 324 you have to find out. So how you will get the PFs of 324? Make like this. 324 will be written here. Just here you can see in 324 the unit digit 4 you can easily divide. It can easily be divided by 2. So divide here by 2. You will get here 1. After that you will get here 6. You will get here 2. Again you can divide by 2. You will get here 8, 1. 81. You will get here 81 can't divided by 2. You divide by 3. Now here 324 has been divided by 2, comes out to be 162. 162 will be divided by 2, comes out to, here comes out to 81. Now here you can see in 81 unit places, the digit at unit place is 1. Can't divided by 2. Just divide by 3, next prime number. If you divide 81 will be divided by 3, comes out to 27. 27 again divided by 3, you will get here 9. 9 divided by 3, here get day 3, here divided by 3, they get 1. So now you have got here this one. PFs you can see 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. These are the PFs of 324. Now all these PFs will be placed at the mouth of a scorpion. You can see here scorpion. I am going to make here scorpion. All PFs will be put inside the whiskers of a scorpion. Here I am going to put 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. These are whiskers of a scorpion. You can say it scorpion trick. Scorpion trick, you can say it, because these are the whiskers of a scorpion. I have put all these PFs inside the whiskers of a scorpion. That means I have put all these PFs at the mouth of a scorpion. Here you can see make belly. Belly you can make like this. After that, lower part of scorpion you can make like this. These are lower part of scorpion. Just the line here. Here you can rename as sting. Sting you can name sting. This is sting you can say. What to do here? Here you can see all these PFs have been put inside the whiskers of a scorpion. That is, all these PFs have been put at the mouth of a scorpion. All these PFs will go inside the belly of a scorpion. There, all these PFs will not get digested there. That will be thrown out from the belly. This means that all these PFs will be distributed into two parts, namely P and Q. Now I am going to distribute all these PFs into two parts, namely P and Q. First I distribute 2 into 2 here. If I put 2 into 2 here, Q will take values 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now do the operation here. Here you get 4, here you get 81. Here you have got P equal to 4, Q equal to 81. If you do here P plus Q, you will get here 85. Or here again if you do P minus Q here, you will get here 77. This means that neither 85 nor 77 is the coefficient of x, that is 45. 85 is not equal to 45. 77 is also not equal to 45. This means that this distribution will be crossed out, cancelled out, rejected. Now come to next distribution. You can see next distribution, if I take here 2 into 2 into 3, here you will take 3 into 3 into 3. If do the operation here, you will get here, 12 you will get, here you will get 27, here you will get. Do the operation same. P is equal to 12, Q is equal to 27. If you do P plus Q here, you will get here 39. If you do here P minus Q, just I am neglecting the plus or minus, whatever plus minus may be there, I am neglecting the sign here. If you do here P minus Q, you will get here 27 minus 12. 27 here you will get only 15. 15 you will get. So here you can see, if you do here P plus Q equal to 39, here P minus Q I going to do here, you will get here 15. Just I have neglected the sign, either plus or minus sign I have neglected here. So here you can say 39 or 15 is not a coefficient of x, that is 45. This means that this distribution will also be neglected or cancelled out, will be rejected. Now come to next distribution. If you do here next distribution can be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. It comes out to here, 2 3 के 4, 4 3 बार 36, you will get here 36, and here you will get 2, 3 2 have been taken here, so here you get only 3 into 3, this become 9. It become 9. Now here you have got P is equal to 36 and Q is equal to 9. If you do the operation here, P plus Q equal to, this will become 45. If you do here P minus Q, you will get here 36 minus 9, you will get here, just subtract here 9, so get here 7, here 27. 27 plus 9, that will become 36. So here you can see, if I distributed all PFs into two parts, first part P is equal to 36 and Q is equal to 9. If I add P plus Q, means 36 plus 9 will be added together. Here you will get 45. 36 plus 9, you will get here 45. P minus Q, if you do here, you will get here 27. Just I have neglected the sign here. So here you can see this 45. This 45, here you can see this 45 is the coefficient of x here. You can see here coefficient of x here 45. Here 45. This means that this distribution will be accepted. Now what we'll do here? Next, here all PFs have been distributed in two parts, P and Q. The value of P is equal to 36 and value of Q is equal to 9. Just write here 36, here write 9, here write 36, here write 9, here you write 36, here it 9. Now come to next here, just here 36, 9, 9. From there I have got P equal to 36, Q equal to 9. I have put those values in these boxes. Because this distribution P equal to 36 and Q equal to 9 has been accepted. Now, because here if you do P plus Q, that will become 45. 45 itself is coefficient of x, you can see here 45. Just I have neglected minus sign here. What we'll do next? Just tally the things here. Here you can say minus 45 is there. If you add, you will get here 45. But here minus sign is there. Just adjust the thing here like this. If you put here minus, just multiply. 36 will multiply to 9. You will get 324. Here minus 1 multiply, you will get here plus. Now, here write 36 minus, here write minus 9. The main concept is that, here is that, I have made 4 boxes here. Whatever just go through first vertical column. This is the 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 second vertical column. You can see here minus 36 there. Here minus 36 will come. the same digit, whatever digit will sign comes here, the same digit will with sign will also come here. Whatever digit will sign comes here, the same digit with sign will also come here. Here you can see minus 36 there, here minus 36 will come. Here minus 9 is there, here minus 9 will come. This is the primary criteria for this middle term splitting method. If you do here plus, here minus 36 minus 9 will be added together, you will get easily minus 45. Or here if you do operation minus 36 into minus 9, you will get plus 324. Now I can proceed further. Here you can write x square minus, here I can split, this is the middle term, you can see here this is the middle term, minus 45x is the middle term in this quadratic equation. So here this middle term minus 45 has been split into two parts. First part is minus 36, just here after minus 36, here suffix x. Here I shall write minus 36x. After that, here you can see minus 9 is there. After minus 9, just here put x, suffix x here. So here you can write minus 9x. Now here you can see minus 45 x has been split into minus 36 x minus 9x. If you do the operation here, minus 36 x minus 9x, you will get the value minus 45 x here. Now here write 324 as it is. That will become equal to 0. Here you can take here x as a common. In first bracket you will get here x minus 36. If you take here minus 9 common, you will get here x minus 36 equal to 0. So here in one bracket it will become x minus 36. In another bracket it will become x minus 9 equal to 0. Now come to next here. Here you can see implied that x minus 36 equal to 0. Here you will get x equal to 36 and x equal to 9. X minus 9 equal to 0. Here you will get x equal to 9. Now I have got two value of x, that is x equal to 36 and that is x equal to 9. Now you can write here very well the number of marbles. Now you can write here answer, hence the number of marbles John have equal to 36. If the John has number of marbles 36, then the number of marbles Jivanti will have the number of marbles Jivanti have equal to 9. Just 45 minus x. If I do the number of marbles John have 36, that is the value of x is at 36. So number of marbles Jivanti will be 45 minus 36 will get 9. This will be correct answer. Here you can do vice versa of this one. This will be the correct answer. This will be this one, or vice versa you can see, vice versa.